Hi everyone, this is I Cooking Channel. Unboxing po tayo ngayon, guys. Last Thursday, ang alaga ko galing Dubai. Sabi niya, huwag kang matulog, hintayin mo ako 12:30 midnight. Diyos mo yung mariman. Hinihintay ko. And then 12:50, sabi ko sa kanya, Gaelle, I'm sleepy. Sabi niya, no, I'm here. Wait for me. Nang dumating siya, guys, alam niyo ba? Binigyan niya ako ng regalo. Sabi niya, I have something for you. Ang sabi ko, ano yan, Gaelle? Sorry ha, but that's why I don't want you sleep because I have something to give for you. Sabi ko, really? Yes, I miss you so much. I have kado for you. Gift yan, gift. So guys, ngayon, ito siya, binigay niya. Halaan niyo kung anong laman nito. Last, itong batang ito, yung anak ng amo ko. She's very kind, she's very, as in, wala akong masabi. Mabait siya. And then, one time, nag-order siya ng KFC, guys. Sabi niya, I want to order KFC. I want to eat roasted chicken. Okay. And guess, guys, how many boxes she buy? 4 boxes of KFC. I said, how can we eat this, girl? We cannot eat too much. It's 4 boxes. How? She's laughing and laughing. I'm crazy. Whoa, I'm just you're crazy. Cause how we can eat this 4 boxes of KFC? What we do? I give to the driver. But still, 4 days we are eating KFC. It's so worse cause it's not tasty also always everyday KFC, huh? And then she brought me a lot of gift, guys. And then she gave me necklace, jewelry, bracelet, and earrings. I cannot accept that one, guys. I give to her mother. I return to her mother because I cannot accept the very expensive jewelry that no, I can't. So I give to her mother, and then his mother say, why? I told her she gave me, but I cannot accept this one because it's very expensive. So I returned to her mother. That's me. So she always gave me kado. She always gave me gift, but I never forgot that one, guys, until I leave this house, this family. She's very kind. She's very kind of me. Wala. So, balik tayo. Nung ibis ng gabi, so, madaling araw na yun, guys. Masaya ako kasi paborito ko yung binigay niya. Hulaan ninyo kung anong laman nito, guys. Anong laman nito? So, buksan ko na siya, guys. Para hindi kayo ang bait-bait niya, guys. Super. Ito ang laman ng binigay niya sa akin. This, guys. Diba? Bagong-bago. Bago siyang labas, guys. Tingnan mo. Gucci bamboo. Siya. So, buksan natin, guys, para buksan natin para malaman natin kung ano talaga sa loob. So, I open this guys for you to show you that my daughter employer is very very kind. She's very generous. She's everything. I cannot see something to her. You see, she's very kind. I never forgot her. She's very very kind, Angel. So ito siya guys. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko rin siya alam kung anong bang sabi niya. Did you like her? No, Gaelle. I want to unboxing that one. Ito siya guys, ang laman. Diba? Gucci. Ito siya. Diba? Ang ganapan nito guys, oh. And then I told her, Gaelle, I will unboxing in the YouTube so that I will tell something to her about you, and then that you're very kind. I never regret what we are away natin mula noon, pero mabait ka, as in mabait. She's very kind guys. Normal na yung lahat ng mga kaibigan niya, kaibigan ko rin. Kung halik yung kaibigan niya, halik din sa akin. Yan kami guys. Diba? Ito siya guys. Gucci Bamboo. Mabango guys, oh. Ang ganda ng kanyang guys, oh. Bamboo talaga siya. Bamboo ang design. Diba? Ganda siya. Subuksan natin guys para maano natin kung mabango ba talaga. Ito tingnan guys. Bamboo talaga siya guys. Diba? Be? Super bango guys. Wow. So mabango, oh. So very mabango. Thanks so much Gaelle for your kado for me. Even late in my birthday, but you make me too much happy. And then before then guys, she give me perfume also. I cannot afford guys. Very expensive, and I cannot afford this kind of brand of the perfume. I can't. Ibili ko na lang ng Ito siya guys. Binigyan din niya ako nito. Hermes. Diba? Hindi ko tinanggal yung ribbon kasi souvenir namin ito. Hindi ko talaga siya guys. May iba akong perfume ko. Ito hindi ko siya inuubos kasi gusto ko always siya ma-remember sa puso ko. Ito siya. Ito ang binigay niya sa akin. Binigyan din ako niya ng guys, yung souvenir ng galing sa kung saan siya galing, pero ito talaga expensive ito guys. Makasana all na lang tayo, diba? So Gaelle, thank you so much. Thank you. I never forgot you until I live in this house, in your family. You're always in my mind. I love you, Gaelle. Always remember. If you see this video, thank you so much. I adore your kindness. Mula nang dumating ako, ikaw ay 7 years old. Hanggang ngayon, dalaga ka na. You're working now in Dubai. When I was come in your family, you are 7 years old. I know everything what happened to you. We are always laughing. We are always watching TV together. You tell what our problem, and then I always advise you that it's okay, girl. Always pray to God that you can handle all your problem. And now you're big. You're 27, 26 years old now. I hope you never forgot me, because me, I never forgot you. But we are the past, we are together. You are telling me the problem about your love life, about everything. I'm always listening to you, and I always advise you. Thanks a lot, girl. I never forgot you. You are my best friend. Always remember that you're my best friend. You're very kind. Hope you never change till the end of the time. I'm here, your friend. I always with you. I'm serious. She's very kind. She's always comfort me when I'm sad. She's always say, "Ay, it's okay. Don't listen to her. I'm here with you. I'm your friend. Tell what you want to me. I will help you." But she's very kind. I never forget you, girl. Always remember, when you see this video, I'm seriously say thank you for everything, for your kindness for me. Hope you never change as you are. Thank you for the best kado that I have now. You make me happy, even I'm tired. You always make me laugh. That you treat me as part of your family. Your friend is my friend also. Thank you so much, girl. Guys, sa totoo, hindi ko to makalimutan. Ang bata ito, super bait sa lahat ng anak ni Amo. Siya lang ang laging nag-comfort sa akin kapag inaaway ako, sinisigawan ako. Nandyan siya laging nag, sa'yo na, pabayaan mo sila, Irene. Nandito ako, naintindihan kita. So, girl, thank you so much. I love you, girl. Thank you for your kado. Diba, guys? Thanks for watching, guys. Nagdrama ako, guys, pero totoo yan. This is I a short Irene cooking channel. Unboxing for the kado of my best friend. This is the kado. This one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this unboxing. Nakasana all kayo, diba? Thank you, guys. I love you. Thanks for watching.